Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's springtime my friends. Next to fall, spring is my other favorite season. The fresh air, the flowers, oh I just love it. Where are all my lemon lovers out there? To kick off the spring, I'm going to share with all of y'all a magnificent lemon dessert. Old-fashioned lemon bars. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. TheBomb.com delicious, dreamy, and full of fresh lemon flavor. And we're going to bake it in a homemade, buttery, and flaky shortbread crust. It's sure to make your mouth water. These would be perfect for your picnics, crawfish boils, and barbecue cookouts. Y'all gonna love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other lemon recipes and my previous video, mint chocolate gooey butter cake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your eggs, and squeeze up those lemons, sugar, because we're about to bake some lemony lemon bars magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing I'm going to do is make up our shortbread dough. In my bowl, I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, and a half a cup of butter flavored shortening. And in 2 hour butter and shortening, we're going to add a half a cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. That's a cupful. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I mixed in a pinch of salt. Add this in slowly so we won't make a mess. Alright, lots of flour. Mix all this together until they're well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our dough looks like. Nice and crumbly. That looks great. So now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch baking pan that lined with parchment paper. Just going to place the dough into the pan. We're just going to press it down and flatten it evenly, like so. Alright my friends, I got my crust together. This is what it looked like. So now we're going to place this in the refrigerator. We're going to let it chill for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 15 minutes until the crust is a light golden brown. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my crust out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. It has a light golden brown. And smells amazing. So now we're going to let the crust cool completely, and while that's cooling, we're going to get started on our luscious lemon filling. In my large bowl, I have 6 large eggs at room temperature. And in 2 hour eggs, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Seems like a lot, but I promise you, it won't be too sweet. The lemon juice will help give it a nice tart balance. Give this a quick whisk until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, 2 hour eggs and sugar. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of grated lemon zest and 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Very important to use fresh lemon juice. Really makes a difference. and whisk all this together. Nothing like the smell of lemon. All right, now it's time for our final ingredient. We're going to slowly add and whisk in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, so that way we won't get any lumps in the filling. Whisk all this together until everything's well incorporated. All right, my friends, our lemon filling is complete. How simple and easy was that? Easy peasy. Can see the specks of lemon zest? That looks great. Now ready to pour it into our cooled shortbread crust. Now ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the same temperature that we baked the crust on, 350. And we're going to let it bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my lemon bars out of the oven. And it smells lemony-licious. And the filling's nice and set. So all we do now is let it cool completely. And as soon as they get through cooling, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our lemon bars is nice and cool. So then I remove them from the pan and I put them on my cookie sheet. We're going to dust them with some powdered sugar. And now, time to cut them into squares. Time to get one now. Look at that. Beautiful lemon bar. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and plate up my lemon bars and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned lemony lemon bars. Don't they look good and pretty? And look at the filling. Gorgeous yellow. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with a lemon wedge on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Oh my Lord. It's creamy. It's nice and tart. Full of lemon goodness. And the shortbread crust is perfectly cooked. It's buttery. Oh, I'm in lemon heaven. These are magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Lemon bar-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. And happy spring.